How to buy RAVPower charges and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can save money and purchase RAVPower chargers. So let's get into it. Before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link out for these chargers and you can easily buy them. And also you'll find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when you purchase these chargers so you can save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on the website and they have a bunch of different offers, right? They have a bunch of different products. They have got power banks, they've got chargers, they've got cables, they've got adapters, all of them, right? And they're actually pretty cool. You can see right here, they've got a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and select whichever one you want. Let's say I want to buy this one. All I would have to do is click on add to cart button. It'll be added to my cart right here. So you have a bunch of them. Then I can just simply click on view cart, and then here I can go ahead and apply the discount code, which you can find in the description below. Apply that, save a bunch of money, and just fill out this form and click on calculate and click on checkout, or pay with PayPal or pay with Google Pay, whichever one you want, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.